If you want to share out your responses with others, then you can easily generate a summary link as well. So to do that, once you're in the form right here, you can go around onto the responses section right here. And over here, besides the open in Excel section, you can see that three-dot button is an option. And once you click on it, you can see share a summary link is an option right here. Once you click on this, what happens is that it says anyone with the link can view a summary of this response. So once you copy this and send it to others, for example, if I were to paste it in this incognito window right here, then you can see the summary of that particular survey right there. You can see the responses and what they answered and so forth right here. So in this case, it's a quiz, and you can see that it can be accessed publicly. They won't be able to modify out your questions right here, but they will be able to access this out right here. But if I were to go around over here and then, let's say, for example, remove the link, it says the link will be permanently removed and cannot be reactivated. So you can remove out the link right here. And even if other people have the link and they refresh it, then it will say this. It'll say sign into your account right here and won't actually let you access the data of the summary right there. And that is how you can share out summary links and even disable out summary links as needed inside of Microsoft Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.